In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Kaggle certificate. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So the best way to do this is to come on over to kaggle.com. So open up a web browser and go to kaggle.com. Then from here, we want to go ahead and sign into your account where you use Kaggle. Now, once we've done that, on the left-hand side, we want to go ahead and click onto that Learn tab here. Now, in the Learn section here, we've got all these different courses. So we pare down complex topics, their key practical components, so you can gain usable skills in a few hours instead of weeks or months. These courses are provided at no cost to you, and you can now earn certificates while completing it. So we've got all these different courses. We can go ahead and go through, and then once you finish a course, you're going to get a certificate at the very end of that course. So that's the best way how to get certificates inside of Kaggle.